welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten, and today we're going to talk about 3 common sentence mistakes and how to fix them. When we speak, our use of language is fairly casual, and that's the way it should be. If we all walked around using the Queen's English all the time, we'd sound like a bunch of stuffed shirts. Let's be honest, who can really relate to someone who speaks formally all the time? There is a time and place for formal language, but for everyday speech, it's fine for us to just chill a little. The problem is that sometimes we try to write the way we talk, and that hardly ever works. We end up with sentences that are clumsy at best and incomprehensible at worst. So here are 3 of the most common errors in sentences. Run-on sentences. We've all heard of these. A run-on sentence is a sentence that carries on way beyond the point where it should have stopped. There are 3 easy ways to fix this. Use a conjunction, use a semicolon, or simply split the run-on sentence into 2 sentences. Next, we have the sentence fragments. These are exactly what they sound like. They are groups of words that are presented as a sentence, but that cannot stand on their own as a sentence. Usually they come right after a complete sentence that sets the context. In this example, the first sentence is the context sentence, and the second sentence is the fragment. The simplest way to fix this is simply to add the 2 sentences together. And thirdly, we have the comma splice, which is very similar to the run-on sentence. It's where 2 thoughts are put into the same sentence, separated by a comma, but with no conjunction. Again, the fix is simple. Simply add the right conjunction or replace the comma with a semicolon, and you're good to go. That's it for sentence errors and corrections. Looking out for these in your writing will help you produce content that is clean and easy to read. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.